Hi guys! So as you may notice, today's background is a little bit different. That is because I am back home in the Twin Cities. I know it's been a long time since I've been filming, and that's just because school kept me so busy. The past month and a half, I was so insanely busy, and I had so much schoolwork that I really didn't have time to film or edit. So it's been a minute since I filmed. I'm so excited for this summer because I'm gonna get back into filming and we're just gonna have a lot of fun. So let's get into today's video. Today's video is going to be my May Boxycharm. And I'm so excited about this. Let's start by opening the box. So this month's theme is Make Waves. The first product in the box is the Glamglow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. And so I'm just going to insert a video of me trying this out right about here. This retails for $28. I did just use it and my skin feels pretty good. Feels pretty clean. A little tacky. Like my hands just, which is a little weird for a face wash. But I do like it. It was very gentle. So I'm excited to see how I like this. So the next product on the list is the Mellow Brow Definer. And this retails for $18. I can't tell if this is a universal color. It doesn't say what shade it is. So I'm guessing it's like universal. It has this nice spoolie. It is a triangle here. A triangle tip pencil, which I'm typically not a huge fan of triangle tips, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows real quick. So they're kind of dark. The formula is pretty nice. They went on pretty easy, which is maybe why they're so dark. Maybe it was because the formula was so easy to apply that I went a little overboard. But if my mom saw these eyebrows, she would call me Groucho Marx. So, I don't know, I'm going to try and tame them down a little bit. But I'll be back when we are ready to apply the next product in the box. I'm ready to dive back into the box. The next product in the box is the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. And this retails for $22. And I have mine in the shade Light, Fair Light. I've heard a lot of people talk very highly about this palette, so I'm excited to try it. Here, I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hand. So that one is Shocker, and it's like a reddish orange, very coral. This one's a orangey blush, peachy. And this one is a very pink blush. I think I'm going to use Paraiso, which is the middle shade. And it's a very pinky, mauve-y color. And I'm just going to take this Sonia Kashuk brush. I don't know what the name is, but I just always use it for blush. And I'm just going to take my Real Techniques sponge and just blend it a little bit. It's very pigmented and pretty. It has a nice sheen to it, so I like that. Next in the box is the Ciate Eye Lustre Cream Shadow. It is lightweight and fallout free, and I have mine in the shade Cupid. And this retails for $22 again. Ooh, fun. I'm just going to apply it directly to my eyes because I'm not really doing anything else with my eyes. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, actually I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand for you. It's a very shimmery pinky purple with lots of golden specks. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just use my hand. So the next product in the box is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. And it retails for $18. I've never tried one of these. And I have mine in the shade Berry Me. Like berry, like strawberry, blackberry. Here it is. So, this is a really pretty shade. I think it'd be really great for winter and fall looks. It's a little too berry for, I think, for the summer and spring. But it's really pretty. It's very bold. I feel like I need to add something to the eyes. I am back, and as you can see, I applied some liner to my lids, and I also added some eyeshadow before. I didn't have any eyeshadow on. I just applied it straight to my bare lid. I concealed it and put powder on, but I didn't have any eyeshadow on. I did go back and I used the ColourPop Zodiac palette, and I used both the shade, the Taurus, which is this brownish transition-y shade, and the Sagittarius, which is this berry shade, which I thought would match the lips to kind of blend the two together. And then I just applied a wing. I'm going to apply some mascara and we will be done. So this is our finished look. It feels very wintry to me. Okay, so I'm going to add up the total of this month's box. ASMR. The total for this month's box is $108, and I only paid $21. That's insane. Really, if you're interested in makeup and if you want to try more products, or if you want to get more into makeup or learn more or just like try new things, I totally recommend this. It is so worth it. I think I've had my box, I've been getting boxes since October, I think. And each time the box has been at least 5 times worth 5 times as much as I paid for it. So if you are interested in getting a box, you should use my link, which I will put in the description box below, along with where I list the products that were in this month's box, including the eye luster and the Dose of Colors lipstick. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to give this video a like, and leave any comments below with any questions or suggestions that you might have for me for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!